What have you got there, Mum?
Picnic.
We are heading to one of my favourite places, which I cold water swim at really often. I'm bringing my mum for the first time. But yeah, this week you guys dared me to look after myself, which was much needed. So thanks. Yeah. That was the longest swim I've ever done. That's because my mum was here.
You're so strong. I'm so proud of you. And Mum, no behind you. Well done, Pop. Sit.
I can't sit because then I'll be really front row then. That's so nice. Yes, this week was supposed to be about self-care and not pushing the boundaries too hard and just staying within our limits. And then I woke up to 2 foot of snow. Yep, you see it. It got me inspired. One of you dared me to do something probably really stupid and I'm going to massively regret it in about 10 minutes, but gloves is super necessary for this. Bikini also incredibly necessary. Yeah, showtime, baby. What am I doing? I'm trying to remember where the dog poo is because I know there's a few, but I guess that's part of the dare. I just really don't want to have to do this twice. Okay, I've got to get in my good frame of mind. I'm a beast. Okay. Right, ready? By door. Oh my god. 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 Oh, I'm falling down. Okay.
Okay.
Dare Laura 2. Don't try this at home. Ever. Oh my god.